The following is an instructional video on how to assemble MIP's clean linen cart. Thank you for purchasing the clean linen cart. You have received all the material needed to assemble your cart. Let's take a look at what you'll find. Please familiarize yourself with the parts and tools you have received. You will find an assembly instruction sheet with your shipment with all the details. Now let's begin assembly. Step 1. Screw side frames into bottom shelf. Getting assistance from a colleague will facilitate the assembly process. To begin your cart assembly, before screwing in the side frames to the bottom shelf, make sure side frame gables are on the outside. This indicates the outside orientation of the side frame. Furthermore, make sure that the bottom shelf's raised back is at the back when screwing in side shelves. To screw in each side frame, use the Allen key provided. Tighten all screws securely. Step 2. Add the casters onto the cart. Begin by installing the directional wheels. These are indicated by the black clips. Place bumpers onto directional wheels before installing wheels onto cart. Slide casters through opening. Locking wheels are indicated by the silver clips. These are to be installed at the front of the cart. Please note, bumpers are only installed on the directional wheels. Use the following tools to secure the casters onto the cart. Make sure screw heads are facing outwards. Place lug nut on other side. Use Allen key to screw in screw and Allen wrench to tighten. Step 3. Screw in central shelf onto side frames. Make sure raised back is at the back end of the cart, just like the bottom shelf. Tighten all screws securely using the provided Allen key. If you have not purchased a top shelf, then Step 4. Add black toppers. Simply add the black toppers to all 4 corners. If you have purchased a top shelf, simply add 2 black toppers to the front of the cart, then Step 5. Add top shelf to base cart. Add top shelf rods to cart base. Make sure bottom opening of rod is facing the front of the cart. Then slide top shelf onto rods. Your clean linen cart is assembled. If you have purchased accessories, then Step 6. Add accessories onto cart. Add bag frames onto central shelf as follows. Insert bag frame screws into their respective holes on central shelf. Use provided winged lug nuts to tighten. Depending on cart size, you may add up to 4 bag frames. To add baskets, simply hook onto any side rail as follows. We offer 3 different sizes to accommodate your specific needs. These may be placed on any side rail, depending on your preference. Congratulations, you have assembled your very own MIP clean linen cart. part of the Revolution linen system.